back. He's going to use that to flip himself over.
If you do take it off, just
you can see in there they got those 10 little claws. They're completely harmless little animals, so yeah, if you want to touch it, yeah, absolutely.
And this map will go out with you.
Give him a little handshake.
But just for your reference, while you're out there, the yellow stars where we are, we have a yellow flag.
Yeah, they're completely harmless. They've been around for like 470
all the way
million
out
years,
around to the left,
so they're like dinosaurs.
What you screaming for? Other.
Is he gonna turn into one of these?
Yeah. So that's exactly what it is. You can see at the top right there. It's a little smaller. This guy's not fully grown yet, but it looks like a male.
Oh no, I meant an example.
That's the shell of it, dude.
No, I was saying like, is he gonna turn into an example?
Like smaller.
Oh, eventually when he dies.
Because the males will come up behind the females to reproduce and just like attach themselves to them.
So that's how these
turn wherever your hour mark is, turn around and come back to us.
Exactly.
Phone number.
But yeah, if you see these guys out here, don't worry
part
about them. They can't hurt you. But you want to kind of respect them. I'm going to get them back to that water real quick. They do have gills,
they might
so I
be
don't have
exposed a little bit today.
But if you guys get out,
kind of
just
going down after our high tide. But I'm trying to get a single. Where do you get out?
Monk, you monk. Climb in the trees.
You don't want to fall on them little stickers.
Be careful of the oysters on the trees there. They are very sharp.
I'm out.
Yep.
There's what on the trees? Oysters.
Oh, look at these crabs.
Look what a hole. Look what it's hole.
Some crabs
There's
right
crabs on the
there.
tree.
Where? Oh. I'm trying to bet I can grab it.
You won't.
You won't grab the crab.
I can't see it. This one right here. I don't see it. Right here.
Oh, right there.
You say right here. Oh.
They're fast, too.
On the bottom.
Out in the middle, pop it apart. Piece gets tight, or you got to fight off that monster.
All right, let's go. All right, so I got to go opposite of you. So when you go left, I go right. Look at them. They got an early start and can't get nowhere. All right, it's $255 plus shipping and handling.
So where do we go?
We're going that way. You see the people in front of us?
Oh, we going straight?
Yeah. All right, you all. Let's see how well we work this thing. Yeah, go. So the deeper you get in, well, not too much deeper, but right above the shore, the coastline. Nope, wrong thing. The top of the water, hot doggy. The surface level. You can if you want to. Get a couple of shots and then stop. Huh? Yeah. Hold on. You go. Can I stop pedaling? I'm trying to get some footage of them. Look, solo them going backwards. Look.
Put it like this in the water and then turn it around. In the water so it'll turn it around.
You gotta work together, ain't that something?
No, but we should have put him and Isaiah in there then.
Nope.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't ever get into the action with us, man. He be everywhere else.
Sometimes I can't get him. Nobody gets him but me.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get other people to do it and nobody be able to get it.
Me every so often.
But see, when he's in the house, he leaves the window, he'll leave the door cracked and the window blinds wide open so that he can see. And I have the mirror, got this big mirror, so that he can see a reflection. He'll jump.
Eventually he gonna be like, all right, mama, you better start pedaling. Judah arms gonna be toe up. He gonna be toe up.
I'm just waiting. When I go to I hold it up. 4.5 pounds.
So now I be seeing you putting it to work, huh?
Yeah, that's why I do it, so I know I'm able to handle something. Lanaya and them said, have they moved yet?
Huh?
Lanaya and Solomon.
They back there. Isaiah's further behind them. He in the single. He about to find out how real that get. Cause he can't rely on nobody to pedal when he tired. I think Uncle Hardy and Rodney over there racing.
They doing their thing. Good time yesterday. It was
We good. There we go. She got the stand up one. I see you. All right, use your right. We got some current pulling us. Put some oomph on that. There we go. Dang on Octavius. Oh yeah. Coach Ford says, man, tell us, say, hey man.
You know your coach, he like me.
Yeah, I figured that when he saw me and the first thing he said, man, how's your mama? You're like, okay, you must have wanted to try to get at my mama. I remember. Now you want, that's why you gave her them good man, it's hard to find tickets. I remember that. Shoot. You part of the reason I coach football now.
Yeah, he wanted to get with me, boy. I'm like, no.
But I don't say he married and stuff, huh?
Yeah, I think he always been married.
Yeah.
No, I ain't doing that.
Dang, just the thing.
His brother just as bad.
It's when we get older. We've been chilling, dude. We waiting on y'all. When you get older and you find out what's up, I wouldn't have thought that stuff was going down like that back then. Cause it's going down like that right now. But no, only hear what Ezel and Auntie used to talk about, how everybody used to be wilding. But then shoot, now I think about it, it's like shoot, Auntie and right.
And he was married the whole time.
Shoot, he had like 8 kids while married to the one chick.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Hey, you.
What up? I left my phone in the car.
I did. Make sure you get me. Take a picture of me. Take a picture of me.
You got zoom in feature on your selfie?
Yeah, you don't have it?
No. Mine just has better imagery. Haha.
Who that? Zay-Bay?
Hey, let's get it around. Why are you like?
If you go in one direction, just use the right the whole time, it'll turn.
No, not like that. I'm talking about like use my body because I tilt and I'm going over.
You ain't gonna fall, son. Tighten up. Stop being scary. Yeah, Uncle Hardy and them, they racing, boy. They racing.
Somebody figured right there. They passed, let's talk about. They said this one is a fast one.
It ain't like it's go-karts. Yours should be faster, you're lighter. Crash, crash. Go ahead and pedal, Isaiah. Hold on to him, mama. The idiot took off on us. See, you could have used him and he could have pedaled us. Tugboat. First time caller, first time caller. Let's go, Lanaya and Solo. Uh-huh. Keep going, I got you. Oh man, they keep going sideways. No, they all the way over there. We'll get to that pier and chill for a second. See, it's one of them things that you get to pay a little bit of money to experience, but don't buy one, because then, right, no need to be trying to have this thing sit forever. Huh? Yeah, around the corner. Yeah, Octavius old big behind. Boy, he a big dude. He saw me. He knew me, but he did not remember who I was or where I was from. Dang on. Say he went to jail in 2004 because he got a 20-year-old and a 7. And he had 3 other kids prior to that 20-year-old. But when he had that little 20-year-old, the baby came out looking just like him, all bright red. And he was like, oh, heck no, these other kids don't look nothing like me. If I could produce this, y'all need to give me DNA tests. Come find out the other kids were not his. See, this lets you know when you 70 plus, you can still get it in. Dang, Isaiah, you all in that lady square? Nah, you get over there. He got control. Are we trying to catch Isaiah? All right, let's go.
Oh, that's the pier over there?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going the wrong way again.
All right, let's right foot. So we were at 2:55. We've only gone 15 minutes, which we can go past the pier. They just guessed that at 30 minutes, it'll take you to get to the pier.
Well, I had this doctor today. Her self-confidence again.
All right, let's see who can go straight under the pier without crashing into the poles here. See if we could just cruise through it. We might need to tear it a little bit. All right, here we go. All right, yeah, we the first ones. Oh, they made it. Oh, Lanaya about to lose her oar. Oh, she got it. All right, let's go. Let's go. You're trying to pull it. I do this. I just grab from up top. Oh. Yeah, I use my hand.
Yeah, okay.
Push off. Oh, shoot. That push was too much of a push. All right, let's go. All right, we made it. Yeah, shawty, yeah.
All right.
Hey, make sure you jump on something like this, man. It's kind of fun for real.
Yeah. All right.
They about to all crash into the bushes. If both of you take the left, paddle and paddle real hard, just for the left only, it will turn. Yeah, just like skates and stuff. You look to the left, you see all the other people who either have paid for it or they did it on their own. They buy their own stuff. And then random people's homes.
Sit there and watch, look at the folks all day.
Mm-hmm.
They do at this.
Did y'all see the manatees? Dang, they ain't. Did y'all see the manatee? No. It was either a manatee or a dolphin over there. It was right by Uncle Hardy though. They'll pop up eventually. But yeah, if it's lasers, then that's, shoot, he ain't got to worry about no long rehab process of skin getting cut up and all that stuff. Yeah. What's going on?
Going faster than you. No, we got to see what we can do about that.
Let's pedal real fast. Let's pedal real fast. Mm-hmm. All right, float contest. Don't paddle at all and see where it takes you.
I love that. I don't know how many feels about it.
Should be fine.
Floating. Going sideways. Yeah.
So I'm gonna assume that this is a flood zone.
That's a what?
A flood zone.
Oh, definitely. Are they playing on the basketball court? Really? Yeah. Where? Right here at this brown
Yeah,
house.
I see it. Oh, yeah. We got a basketball court.
They got a whole half court.
See, bro, we floating where we need to be going.
Where?
Right here.
See, I told you it was over here.
Oh, I don't think he was talking to us.
Don't matter.
Nah, he happy. He just like a kid. When you see it, you see it. When you was 8 years old, you'd be like, "Oh, a turtle."
Bro, speaking of turtles, Daddy, I gotta show you a picture. It was a fat behind soft shell turtle sitting at my apartment complex, like in the road.
Yeah.
Yes, it had to be placed there. It can't just like. Okay, Daddy, we stopped floating, bro. We kind of just sit still.
Go on and pedal some.
This makes you kind of nauseous.
No, it doesn't.
Nah, that's just because you ain't ate nothing.
Oh, I gave her a little something. I
Yeah.
gave her some fish and a biscuit.
Yeah. We ain't truly ate nothing since
It's in there.
we left Chase them yesterday. Cause shoot, we got up too late to do anything. But that's cause we got in at 3 o'clock.
Yeah. Alright, hold it. Which way I'm going now?
Straight.
Bible. And they said Egypt. Now Egypt is in Africa.
Mm-hmm.
So that means their civilization started in Africa, which was black folks. Okay. But how they get all them white folks in Africa? Everybody was
Conquistadors.
Everybody was black. But they whitewashed us.
Dang, I want to slap it. There you go. There you go. He in the water.
All right, let's
Look to your right. Yep, I just pushed him underwater.
All right, good. My eyes is running.
Yep, he didn't drown now. He in the water. Look to your right. Right next to your oar.
Ooh, okay. My eyes.
He went inside your jacket too.
Oh, damn. You did me and I had to.
Ah, look, they're over there in the bushes. Use your right. Stick it in there. Oh, look, Uncle Harry and them came back. See, y'all could have kept going. Y'all turned around back there. We could have went deeper into the abyss. Shoot.
Hey, we a lot faster than we used to be.
Uh-huh.
That's because you got me with you.
That's what it is, Mama.
Where they at?
Over there struggling.
Even our young ones getting it in. So we're a lot faster now. Uncle Hardy and Rodney, boy, that's the dream team right there.
Uh-huh.
That made me smile so much.
You got that picture?
Yes,
Okay, because I got to have it. I mean a picture, not a video. I need a picture.
I do pictures.
Okay,
Reese do video. That's why we're a perfect match.
okay.
We get it all.
I know.
Yeah, we ran into the wall under the bridge.
Yeah, it's dead. It's just a shell. You ran into what?
When we're trying to go under the bridge or under the pier.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
We watched y'all run into it. Or I did.
He did.
I literally, I saw you say, all right, let's see who can go through it without running into it.
Right.
The only people who ran into it.
And then we got attacked by a wasp just now.
Sure did.
I see that. Oh, see, that was him over here screaming. It was a dragonfly.
But now you look like you recording into the sky, girl.
Yeah.
Disturbing us.
I think I want to go jet skiing for graduation.
I bet you do. You can go jet skiing too.
Yeah, too. Oh, yeah.
Tell your mom or your daddy. You can tell your mom or your daddy that they have them take your jet skiing. But you know where I'm finna take you. Uh-huh. No, you ain't got time to be scary.
I wasn't moving.
This ain't the haunted house and you 9 years old.
I wasn't even moving. Y'all backed into us.
Yeah, because you know he's supposed to be jumping out this airplane. I said it 13 years ago.
I'm gonna go skydiving with y'all,
Mm-hmm.
Chase coming too? We all going
Now you just adding a whole bunch of stuff now.
Well, Chase said he want to go with you.
He got to go on his own. Some things is meant for y'all. Then y'all add people on the next go round.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You can't drive.
I'm trying to take my
Yeah, I don't hit my elbow thing.
You hit your elbow, you can't drive. You got to drive.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah, I would say you ashy or you got some salt tattoos on you.
Daddy, it tastes like salt.
It's salt water. Surprise. Uh-huh. Oh, how y'all feel?
I feel good, good, good. I feel good, good, good. I feel all right. I feel all right. I feel all right. And ain't nothing gonna bring me down, 'cause I feel all right. I feel all right. I feel all right. And ain't nothing gonna bring me down, 'cause I'm blessed.
Blessed.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm blessed.
Blessed.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm blessed.
Blessed.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm blessed.
Blessed.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. You know what song I heard for the first time in never?
Uh-oh.
We was at Terrence thing, at the Davis, the funeral home. And I was like, dang, this sound familiar. And then I heard, it will be all right. It will be all,
Michael, but you know what? I meant to tell you, I don't know if I told you. When I seen him in the casket, he was light-skinned.
What?
Yeah. I said, I had to look. I looked at the name. I said, wait a minute, am I in the right place?
He hit a Michael Jackson on you, huh?
Yeah, I mean, he was light-skinned, almost like Lanaya.
No.
Yeah, I ain't kidding. I had to look. I said, Michael, what? That man was black as night.
Right.
Daddy, are we going back?
Yeah, we got 15 minutes. See, we can go back that way and keep going and go into the bushes on the side or something, just so we can maximize our time. But we ain't trying to get there early just for them. Shoot, bump all that. But yeah, dang.
That junk tripped me out. I said, oh, well, that man was
Hey.
that black as his daggone thing here. Oh, he come out light.
I think they're masters now.
Look, she trying to navigate through this stuff. Mm-hmm.
Squad let me go to Philadelphia by myself. She's supposed to be going with me.
Oh, talking about when?
Oh, in July.
Yeah,
so nice. Come on, Mama, you can just go by yourself.
Oh, that's that. We doing that teaching thing?
No.
It's July 9th and 10th?
No.
Oh.
No, this is in July. So she got something she got going in July 9th and 10th?
Yeah, we didn't.
Go.
We tag teaming on the teaching thing. Where it's,
going together?
yeah, it's like a presentation type thing. And yeah, some type of thing. So it's another bonus to say I presented some information. So when I finish typing up all this stuff for a book, I can actually use it. Better yet, because I've been thinking about it, but not thinking about it, but thinking about it. I could use some of this stuff for, say, a dissertation or something.
For your PhD?
Yeah. But we was at Chase graduation, and the senator that's there, that's represent that area, she ended up with an honorary PhD from the school. Now I was like, me and Quan was talking like, yeah, shoot, even though it's honorary, it's like a fake degree, but you could still say that you a doctor, because who gonna go check it?
And then if they do that, it's honorary, which means you didn't lie.
Right. And they gave her the certificate with the seal and everything on it, but you just didn't take no classes or a dissertation. But it's due to the work that you've done over years that you're recognized for it. And I'm like, shoot, only to find out Chase was tripping when we got to talking, because he was like, man, they gave her an honorary degree for a subject matter that we don't even have at the school. I said, how you gonna do that? And then, shoot, you really gave her a fake degree. You was fronting. What? Oh, that was a big old fish. It's all the way over there by 11 o'clock. It might jump out the water again, but it was big from over here, so it's gotta be huge over there. One thing I haven't done out here is hike. They got a whole little trail out here. And supposedly they got a ropes course. Sometime back in 2007, I was supposed to go to it over the summer. I missed it because it was with the school. But every time I hear Weedon Island, I think of ropes course that I missed. Yeah, I love me some ropes course.
Marky got a bicycle. He got to help his knees.
Oh, he actually bought a bike?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, one of them electric bikes?
No, he got a real bike.
All right, he a G then. That's what's up.
Yeah, he want one that's gonna help his knees. Electric bike don't help your knees.
Well, that Fuji bike that he had for the past...
He gave it to Mike, and Mike don't know where's that. Mike's still in jail, man.
Yeah, never
He
mind.
always keep trying to help Mike, but the same thing with Mike.
Where he at? Get a little closer. Yeah, you ain't gotta back up. We'll come forward. What, you found him or he found you? He got on the phone with you or you on the phone with him? Yeah. All right, Bird.
I should have had my phone. Call Aunt Mary. What you doing, baby? I'm out on the lake.
Trying to get close enough to grab the hook.
What we got going on? He still on there? All right.
What's up, Coach?
What's happening, man? I see a whole bunch of hair everywhere. Shoot. Oh, yeah. So,
You recording?
yeah, so you done made the video. Look at you. I got it on my forehead, another GoPro. So you see we here, well, we out here floating in the water. So what's this, like Mother's Day? Yeah. When you get older, it's not about getting a prize or something, it's about experiences. So when you do something that you can experience, you can always remember and say, hey, remember that time we did that? And then we talk about that. Everybody eats food. You do it out in a couple hours, and then shoot, you do that same thing tomorrow. So always remember, when you get older and get some money, do something that you normally wouldn't do. We always eat. So there you go.
Yes, sir.
Hold on. Yeah, Isaiah.
Let me see. Hey, boo. How you doing, baby? I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Well, thank you for the Mother's Day wish. Have a good day. Hug your mom. Kiss her for me.
It's all right as it's gonna get. All right, you all. Oh, y'all trying to set up the race? Yes. Yeah. All right, well, let's see who's gonna win. All right, you back there. Ready. Sit. Hey. Uncle Hardy don't know they racing. They racing.
Help them.
Yeah. Uncle Hardy, look, he out of gas now. Look at him. He got the funny looking face. Oh, they coming up on us. How we gonna cut you off?
No, it's fair.
Now we gotta try to turn. Hold up. The other way, Ma. Use the other one. Now watch this.
What are you laughing at, Lanaya?
All right. You choose your left one and turn. All right. No, that's y'all went sideways. All right. Y'all are not driving my car at all. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Bam. It's like when you do go-karts at the end and everybody line up in the line and then bam.
When you get out, just make sure to put one foot out before we stand up, and then we'll pull you guys in just a moment.
Hold up. Don't pedal no more. Or paddle.
Man, Isaiah got lucky. I wish he was closer up. He had soap.
Of course.
Yeah, he cheated, but we still won. I said you have to put your water on it.
That's fun. Usually, however.
Awesome.
Don't be getting that all scary.
That means that it was a
just stand up.
Getting rid of its shell as it grows. All right. How was it? It was good. No fights in the boat.
Are you struggling to get up, Corn? I mean, yeah. Oh, there we go. Woo!
Yeah.
You can't go nowhere.
Hold on, guys. Hold on.
You guys want to hold on back there? We'll come get you guys. Yeah. There you go. Showed them all up.
Come
on.
Get one foot out, please, for me. Yeah. Thank you. Sorry, y'all. You guys are good. Just want to make sure nobody falls.
I got a hold on you, Mama.
I gotta get up. Whoop.
Just stand straight up.
There we go.
You ain't drunk either now.
Okay, I'm so sorry.
No, you're good.
Are you apologizing for shooting out stomach acid?
Horseshoe crab right there.
This last time,
Watch out.
There's a live horseshoe crab.
Yeah.
it's like throw up.
He coming straight for you too.
You got sick, baby?
Oh, I'm not done. I'm so sorry right now.
Oh,
Woo.
no.
Put one foot out before you stand up. Watch out.
Incoming!
Step on that guy. One in here when you guys are leaving and one when you guys coming back. Watch out. Here. Watch out, Lanaya.
Oh man, you splashing over here. Oof.
Yeah, get him out of here.
Mm-hmm.
Get out of here.
Don't be falling now. Hey Isaiah, go get Mama's shoes. Get Quan shoes too.
I need that. I need my shoes. Hurt my feet.
Oh, there's the camera right on.
All right, y'all.
You guys get 1 foot out of the boat before you stand up.
Y'all look out for my brother. He can't hear. He can't hear. Y'all.
Rodney, turn around and stick your hand out.
Help.
He's straight.
All right.
He ride bicycles.
He did better than me.
Life jacket in the bucket with you.
You gonna stop underestimating your brother. He bout
I'll
it.
be looking for him. I'll be looking out for him. I don't want nothing to happen to my brother.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, very normal.
Oh, thank you.
Uh-huh. I see you. Shoot. Sucker.
Didn't it happen last time?
I don't know.
Yes.
If so, I got footage of it.
Make sure it's straight. Your jack gonna be coming out like this.
She was recording the whole time. She was recording the whole time. The good parts were me.
Watch out now.
Y'all, come on. Other cargo. Uh-huh. Ain't no worries. All right, I hope y'all enjoyed yourself.
That was good. Get in a boat. I was having so much fun, I wet my pants.
Mm-hmm. Rodney got a salt tattoo.
Paddling, yeah. How we doing, Solo?
It's boring.
Okay.
I mean, not boring, it's hot.
Turn, boy. I'm recording. Paddle, Solo.
Hey, only because we let you.
And now we're gonna cheat. Oh, they're cheating. They hit my canoe.
Because I knew it was going to hit their kayak. What are you doing?
Woo! Alright. Whoa! Ah, my head! I'm a horrible recorder just because I can't see what I'm doing.
Bro, where are we going, Solo? I'm counting on you.
I'm sorry, I need help.
Hold the camera.
Is it still on? Yeah. This is fun. You know? Left them in the desk. They're not coming.
I don't think none of us would mind that.
Say hi, mommy.
Y'all going backwards, letting in the people talking about they can't drive.
How we doing?
Boy, stop. I'm trying to go backwards, but it won't let me. Why is everybody running into us?
Why do I keep having blood coming out of my body?
Whoa, what?
Oh, my bad, mama.
How y'all feel? It felt real good, man. I feel good, good, good. I feel good, good, good.
Me too.
I feel alright. I feel alright. I feel alright. And ain't nothing gonna bring me down, cause I feel
That dragonfly coming
alright.
back, mama. It was flying in my face.
I feel alright. And ain't nothing gonna bring me down, cause I'm blessed. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm blessed.
Get you in the picture.
Yeah, yeah. I'm blessed. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm blessed. Yeah, yeah,
Alright, I'm gonna turn these backwards so you can get the picture. Stop! What did you do? You just said black boy. It was one when we was coming in, and then Isaiah found one while we were out.
Where do y'all take the picture from?
Got your braids. Yeah, on the dead one. This is love.
How was it? Oh, we.
Smell the salt, bro.
No, I'm good.
I had so much fun, I wet my pants.
picture here. I had so much fun. I wet my hair.
Ew.